here is your minds on for the day. So I want you to think about this. And we're going to do a think, pair, share. So I'm going to ask you to think on your own. And then I'm going to ask you to share it with a partner. And then we'll bring it back to the lecture. If one dog grows from 5 kilograms to 8 kilograms, and another dog grows from 3 kilograms to 6 kilograms, which dog grew more? So no talking it to your partner. I'll reread it one more time. And then while you're thinking, you can grab any manipulatives if you want them. Okay, this is just our minds on those. So you don't have to write anything, but if you do want to grab something, you can. Okay, so what do you think? Which dog grew more? Logie.
Dog one, because it said which dog grew more. They both grew the same amount of kilograms, but dog number one has it's taller and bigger, so I think it's dog one.
What do you mean by taller and bigger?
Like just the height. I mean, because look at, they both start off small, but the results are bigger. Dog one's bigger.
Okay, so do you mean like he's like taller than the rest of them? Like
Yes.
he's 8, so he's taller. Okay, so his physical height is taller if we measured him. Okay? Anybody else think differently or the same? Liam, what do you think? Okay, I was only able to get to one person who disagreed. So here's the skeptic or the skeptics in the room. So what did you skeptics talk about?
Well, we thought that dog 2 is bigger because although they both gained, not bigger, but we thought that they gained more weight because they both gained 3 kilograms, but dog 2 doubled its weight. It went from 3 to 6. It doubled its weight, and then the 5 to 8 dog just gained 3 kilograms.
But it may have doubled its weight. Like, its weight wasn't that big in the first place. So
But it still doubled it.
So we have 2 different schools of thought. Now other people want to chime in. So here's where we're going to bring you back to your minds on. I'm going to do a little bit more direct teaching. I want you to think about a little baby, okay? Think about that little baby when it, as Serafina says, doubles its weight. Does it look like it's growing quite a bit? But you know how sort of like an adult, when they gain a little bit of weight, you don't notice it as much because they already kind of started out a little bit bigger. So it looks maybe like you didn't notice it maybe on me, but you noticed it more on Henry because he's growing more. Do you know what I mean by that? So there's a difference in your thinking. And this is really key today, so listen carefully. There are 2 kinds of math thinking. Additive math thinking and multiplicative math thinking. Some of you thought additively today, and some of you thought multiplicatively. Which of these sort of responses, and I haven't got down to Serafina's and Jacob's, and I'm going to add this in, out of all of these sort of responses that we had today in our minds on, which do you think might have been thinking additively?